Hello, Tony.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Sophia.
Hello, teacher.
Today we are talking about
Bird.
birds.
Bird.
Okay. Now tell me how many birds here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Let's count together, Tony.
17.
No. Let's count together. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
15.
16.
Yes, 16.
16.
Yeah, 16 birds. Okay, very good. Now tell me, Tony, show me, where is the pigeon? Pigeon. Pigeon.
Different.
Yes, let's say it together. Pigeon.
Pigeon.
Yes. Do you like pigeons?
Yes, I do.
Sophia, do you like pigeons?
Yes, I do.
Yes, okay, very good. Why do you like them? Because they are
Because they are beautiful.
beautiful. Yes, beautiful. Okay, very good. And now, Sophia, show me, where's the eagle? Eagle.
Eagle.
Yes, let's say it together. Eagle.
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 Yes. Now tell me, eagle, is it small or big? Tony, eagle, is it small? Big.
Big.
Yes, eagles, they are very big. Yes, very big. Okay, now Tony, show me, where is the flamingo?
Flamingo.
Yes, let's say it together. Flamingo.
Flamingo.
Yes, put your hands here, please. Okay. Flamingo.
Flamingo.
Yes, good job. Tony, tell me, flamingo, is it short or tall?
Tall.
Tall. Yes. Flamingo is tall.
Tall. Tall.
Yes. Flamingo is tall. Flamingo is tall. Yes, tall. Okay. Now, Sophia, show me, where is the parrot?
Đúng bà đang chỉ.
Yes, parrot. Let's say
Parrot.
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 Okay. Sophia, what is the color of the parrot?
Yeah,
What is the color? The color is
green and
green.
red.
Red, yes, green and red. Now, Tony, show me, where is the peacock? Yes, peacock.
Pickle.
Peacock.
Pickle.
Yes. Do you like peacocks?
Yeah, they do.
Why do you like them? Because
Pickle and beautiful.
yes, they are very beautiful. Yes.
Beautiful.
Yes, they are very beautiful. Okay. Now, Sophia, show me, where is the swan? Swan. Yes. Show me swan. Yes. Swan. Swan. Yes, this one. Swan. Yes. Okay. And now, Tony, where is the? Show me, please. Sparrow.
Sparrow.
Sparrow. Yes. Let's say sparrow. Sparrow. Okay. Sophia, where is the owl? Show me owl. Owl. Yes. Owl. This one. Owl. Yes. Very good. Good job. And now, Tony, show me, where is the crow? Yes. Crow. Yeah, this one. Crow. Okay. And now, where is now? Sophia, where is the kiwi? Yes, kiwi.
Kiwi.
Yes. Now, Tony, tell me, what birds do you like? What birds do you like? For example, me, I like eagle, flamingo, yes, pigeon. So, what birds do you like? I like. Show me. Flamingo, peacock, swan, and parrot. Okay, Sophia, tell me, what birds do you like? I like flamingo, swan, and peacock. Yes, okay. Now let's review. What is it? This is a yes. Put your hands here. Pigeon. Pigeon. Yeah, this one.
Eagle.
Yeah, this one.
Flamingo.
Flamingo. Yes.
Owl.
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 Oh, yes. Owl. Yes. Peacock.
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 Good job. This one.
Crow.
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 Okay, good job. This one.
Swan.
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 Swan. Yes. This one.
Kiwi.
Kiwi. Yes. This one.
Parrot.
Sparrow. Sparrow. And this one.
Parrot.
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 Okay. Good job.